I thought I was gonna rub hard, or scrape at least right here. No scraping today. Me? Those screws should be big enough, I would imagine. Emerson's holes broke here, so I'm using like my mud flat little clippy things. Pop them right over. Pop it over this one. Can I just break this off? What? This broken piece right here? See it. Much better. Until we get our own, represent the homies.
I like that. Looks better.
That actually looks really good. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are all having a great day. If you remember, like, how long ago did we wrap your interior? About 4, maybe 5 months ago, we wrapped the interior of Emerson's car, and we told you it was just like some eBay wrap that we got. It was like fake carbon fiber. It was really just for fun. Like one of Emerson's friends had it and just gave it to him. It wasn't like, we didn't really try hard or pay any money for it. We just were like, yeah, whatever, we'll do it. And it did not last. It looks, is it still here? No, we took it off.
Yeah, remember? And then we just
yeah, it bubbled. It was horrible. Like, don't ever buy cheap wrap, especially like fake carbon fiber. You think it's cool? It's not cool. It looked like complete crap. And after like, what, like 2 weeks? Literally took 2 weeks, and like it was bubbling, coming off. It literally in the sun just peeled itself off. Like just limp, right off. So we took it off before we went to a show. I don't remember what show, but we took it off before we went, and we just like painted we painted this actually. We just like took it out and spray bombed it because it was horrible underneath. That's why we wrapped it in the first place. But today we have some real wrap, like real vinyl wrap. We got it from somebody that wraps vehicles. It's like an actual vehicle wrap. And he gave us like a bunch of little pieces for us to test and try out and see like what color we like if we want to end up wrapping one of our cars. Like, we just got a bunch of samples. So today we have like an actual nice black one that we're gonna use. We're gonna wrap the center console and stuff inside the 240, make it look a little bit nicer. We're giving it just, like I said, to test colors for like cars, because we were talking to somebody at a wrap shop about cars, and they were just like, yeah, here's a bunch of colors, practice wrapping, try it out. So this is what we got. You know, I don't know what brand it is, but
Avery.
Oh, it's Avery, which is good.
So better quality wraps, according to the guy. They have a shelf life of what?
6 months.
6 months or something, and they become, I don't know, I'm not professional at this or anything.
They just become harder to work with, I believe.
Yeah, as long as you put it on the car before the 6 month period, easier to work with when it's within the 6 months. So he had old stock that it's not like expired, but like getting close where he has no use for it. It's a whole bunch of scrap. Oh, he gave it to us to test it out, and enough to wrap this center console. So we're gonna try it out. And compared to the eBay one, when you stretch them, apparently it gets really thin, as we're like the quality on the name brand wrap. You guys know more about this than we do probably, but when we stretched the eBay one, it completely deformed. The like carbon fiber pattern on it just went like completely not carbon fiber. And this is supposed to be able to stretch. Like its durability.
Yeah, it's not as durable. Exactly. So this one should be able to stretch and contour and look way better on the car and not fall off because we stretched it or whatever. Can we make a suede one? Look at all the suede we have up here. Can we use this one day? Just go on like a suede boot brigade and make one for like the Civic, 240, BRZ. Should be pretty straightforward. You would think, right?
I would think so too.
Peel the back, stick the top, work your way down, go home. Call it a day. You don't look very confident.
I'm not. Don't just do it. I don't want to do it.
Okay, here. So that's on there.
Oh, all these bubbles you're gonna see.
Emerson painted it. He did like the classic Robbie paint job instead of trying to do like an Emerson paint job, and he botched it. And there it is. There's a bunch of little dots and stuff in the paint, like just crappy runny marks and stuff. And they're showing when you slap the wrap on. We only got the wrap like up here, but you can still see all these little dots. We're gonna sand it real quick with some nice soft sandpaper. You want to try it this time, or do you still want me to try it?
You can try it.
Peel a good chunk of it. Hey, that's not gonna look too bad.
The quality's actually way better than the other one.
Well, yeah, the other one was so thin. That's how you know it's like good stuff. It literally you just push it and the bubbles just leave.
See why it's so forgiving.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? It's gotta come off.
What? You did it wrong? Oh, you put it on an angle.
Wow. See, you should have just done this. Oh, try again. Look, let's start on this end, that way we can't mess it up. Okay, just keep going, let's just get it on here. Look at this, this is the coolest thing. I've never wrapped with something that's like a real quality before. Like any air bubble, you just run your finger over it, it just leaves. Like, just see you later, gone.
Yeah, that's what the honeycomb effect is for.
That's awesome. The honeycomb stuff is like the best. This should be just a simple heat and stretch. This bend is like counter bending out. So just heat it and let's see what we can do. Nice. I am surprised that that worked. Wow. I have never seen such a thing.
Holy, we didn't even have to cut it.
You want to heat up that side? We'll do the same thing. You didn't even show the people you cutting this.
I know, because
What's
you
your
were trying. I'm just gonna stretch this part and then work away.
Just cut an X,
Well,
mold it to the sides.
we'll see how much this can stretch. It's very hot. It's very hot.
That actually worked.
Maybe we should wrap this away.
I think we probably could.
As long as we get good quality, like wrap, I think we could actually do a decent job. Not like the best job, but like...
As long as we don't cheap out and buy like Wish wrap, like if we buy like a decent wrap,
Yeah.
you and me could totally pull it off.
Not too worried about, because the shift boot's covering it.
Yeah, but it's still good just to make sure it doesn't peel back up. We'll cut the extras underneath, but we basically just gotta do the exact same thing to the next 2 holes. I thought we were ready to put it in, but apparently Emerson keeps finding bubbles. Let's go! This looks really nice. Oh, you need your boot on here. You need your boot. There we go, dude. That looks so much better. That looks way better than it did before. We need to get some more so we can do the rest. Like, we need to do this whole little piece. Unfortunately, we were gonna do this because we thought we had more, like we thought the guy gave us more wrap, but he didn't give us enough to do this. But we're gonna go back and get like just a little bit of extra scraps or whatever we can. And we're gonna try and bring this piece back to life too, because this is supposed to be all like one color. That looks unreal. I'm stoked to get more of this. I didn't think it would come out so nice. We're gonna bring the 240 back. A lot of you guys have been asking like, where's 240? What's happening with 240? We were waiting because like, sure we make videos and we do stuff for you guys, but at the same time, like, this is Emerson's car. And he wanted to find a direction and decide exactly what direction he wanted to go with it and like plan the build a little bit instead of just, I feel like a lot of people on YouTube just buy parts and just install them just to have content. Like the Civic almost. Like the Civic, we didn't really have an end goal. We just bought a bunch of stuff. It turned out sick, but it could have completely gone the other way. And this is this is his car. So instead of just buying a bunch of random parts for videos, we paused for a bit and we took a step back. Emerson said, this is what I want to do with my car. This is what it's gonna cost. This is what we're gonna end up doing. We have some huge things coming for this car and it's just the beginning. So we want to get this car show ready. Believe it or not, our goal for next year is to bring the 240 to shows. 240 and the Civic 100% coming to shows, maybe the BRZ. But like, just take a look at it right now. Like, it's so nice. Everybody always loves this 240, but I mean, it does have its fair share of imperfections. Like, there was an electrical short here, which kind of burnt through the paint. Paint isn't the best. Obviously, it's really old. It's got a little bit of, you know, clear coat peeling in some spots. We did some interior work, but like the door cards, if you can see. So we wrapped that door card. Where this piece meets is actually coming out of the door. So it's not what we did, it's the actual door is falling apart. It's like, the 240's in good shape, but it needs a little bit of love. So our goal, we found a direction and it's gonna be a show car for next year, guaranteed. So be hyped because there's a lot of stuff coming for this car. Be hyped, the 240's coming back. Sorry that today's video was so short. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace out and stay committed.